Danke bafethu, so asifocuseni ku-goalkeeper we-Kaizer Chiefs uBruce Vuma yabo. So uBruce Vuma-ke, there was a time this season ekubonakala ngathi ngempela is one of the standout goalkeepers of the season. Bevimba kahle kakhulu laphana, kubonakala ukuthi okay ngathi matured ukuthi akwazi ukulida i-Kaizer Chiefs. Beyi-first choice, number one goalkeeper for i-Kaizer Chiefs for some time, but after a few mistakes laphana ku-PSL ubethwe Premiership nakwamanye ama-competitions bamdropha to a third choice njengoba-ke so kuzophela isizini sibonile ku-Nedbank Cup final azange vimbe umuntu wayesebhentshini laphana uNtwari lo wase-Rwanda yabo, and then makuvalwa nje isizini bese kuvimba ubani uPeterson, but there was a time la uBruce Vuma avimba ngempela laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. So my question would be uBryce Vuma uyaqualifya na ukuba goalkeeper we-Kaizer Chiefs noma udingeka kwenye i-team? Cause sometimes ungaba goalkeeper o-good but thola ukuthi i-pressure yaku-Kaizer Chiefs i-too much, inkulu kakhulu for maybe uBruce Vuma namanye ama-player, akusiwuye kuphela yabo, cause normally ama-players would do well kwamanye ama-team but mayefika ku-Kaizer Chiefs ivele izinto like zingahambi kahle. Maningi ama-players ngawa-pinpoint ukuthi okay maybe kuma-big clubs awenzi kahle, but once kwadropheka off leyo pressure waya ethimini encane uvele adlale kahle kakhulu umdlali ababonisa ithalent lakhe leli mhlawumbe i-Kaizer Chiefs yamdiscover ngalo, but-ke mefika ku-first team uyacindezeleka ngempela kakhulu lapha ngoba udlalela i-team enabalandeli abaningi kakhulu e-South Africa, millions and millions njalo umudlalo ubukelwa abantu abaningi, just for one game odlalayo ku-Kaizer Chiefs kwenza i-South African superstar yabo. So asazi ukuthi izinto ezim-affectile uBruce Vuma yini, but inside the field of play kunama-good moments wakhe bafowethu. Ngiyazi ukuthi sifocus kuma-bad moments kakhulu. uBruce Vuma ube nesizini engconywana yabo. There were good moments lapha esingawa-pinpoint-a khona ukuthi okay bevimba ngempela bakubonakala ukuthi okay u-right, decision making yakhe sharp, but-ke amaphutha yazi inkinga ukuthi as a professional goalkeeper angeke wenze amaphutha awu-5 ngesizini yabo, uyayibulala ngempela i-team yakho. Khumbula na-goalkeeper we-Liverpool lo wabadlisa ku-Champions League consider nje amagoli abhedayo yabo, abantu bakukhumbula ngamaphutha, bakukhumbule ngezinto ezi-right. So as u-goalkeeper ulapha epaleni ukuthi uvimbe yabo, usize i-team ukuthi iwine. So wena mawuzodedela nje amagoli asimple ukuthi angene, kula inkinga eqala khona yabo. So overall uBruce Vuma ube nesizini e-right, but-ke lama-blunders lawo or amaphutha lawa awenzile alide to ama-goals iwabulale i-team, nanokuthi-ke i-trust ka-Coach Nabi, leyo Coach Nabi umnikile i-trust phela uBruce Vuma ukuthi okay we trust you, uzoba u-number one goalkeeper, but-ke after lawo maphutha lawo bamdrop. But before ngiyivala ngifuna ukumenshina nje izinto ezinhle. uBruce Vuma he made some very crucial saves ku-Kaizer Chiefs, but-ke lawo ma-crucial saves ngeke akhunjulwe ngoba phela nayi inkinga ukuthi uBruce Vuma ube namaphutha yabo, amaphutha akhunjulwayo, okuhle akukhunjulwa baba. Ngisho ne-striker ku-Kaizer Chiefs this week singakora 3 goals, next week singakori noma sigeje too much si-attack-we yabo, kunjalo nje ebholeni. But for mina I think uVuma u-good goalkeeper, but i-pressure ku-Kaizer Chiefs i-too much yabo. Maybe kwakumele bamlone, but manje sena-30, I mean it's old, it's not like he's young, but Kaizer Chiefs ukuze agrowe kahle kwakumele mhlawumbe bamlone to amanye ama-team, but angikaze ngambona kwenye i-team uBruce Vuma since bampromotha ku-Kaizer Chiefs like ku-first team, akaze aya kwenye i-team or angikaze ngambona kwenye i-team yabo. But-ke simfisela inhlanhla going forward, sibone ukuthi upcoming season uzoyenza kanjani. But sengivala enye question yokugcina ukuthi uyadeserve na ukuba i-Kaizer Chiefs material, ukuba i-Kaizer Chiefs player. If uyadeserve, udeserve ukuba i-first choice, second choice or third choice, or i-choice number bani? Sesisithi isikhathi ku-Kaizer Chiefs mhlawumbe ulanda 10 years manje, but improvement that much ayikho. Yes siyabona i-glimpse of good goalkeeping, but overall mawumjaja as i-player or u-goalkeeper kunama-doubts yabo. But-ke danko bafowethu.